So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy SoFi Technology call options here in Canada, ticker symbol SOFI here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple opened up on your device, simply go into whatever account that you want. So for this demonstration, we're going to be in our non-registered account. And if you wanted to buy some SoFi Technology call options, go to the bottom and press on the magnifying glass icon. Then once you're here, there's actually two ways you can really search the stock up. First off, what you can do is go to the options tab, which for me is actually already highlighted. Press on where it says more, and then just scroll down until you come across SoFi. So we'll just keep scrolling here until we come across SoFi. So SoFi Technology right here. That's one way to access this. Also to another way, probably the more simple way, is to exit out of this. Go to the search bar at the top and just type in ticker symbol SOFI for SoFi Technologies Inc. Press on that right there. And there you go. If you want to go ahead and press on buy, then press on options, you're in the exact same screen. So now if you wanted to buy SoFi call options, what you have to do is actually say that at the top where it says SOFI or SoFi will rise by, press on where it says rise and make sure that call option is checked. If it's not checked, and let's just say put options are checked for whatever reason, it's going to say SoFi will fall. So make sure that where it says fall, you change that to where it says call. So now that it says rise, then if you want to change the expiry date, go to the expiry date right here, press on the date and change it to whatever date you wish. Now, if you wanted to go out of the money or in the money, that is completely up to you. But for demonstration purposes, we're going to go in the money for $7 USD. And if you wanted to buy this option right here, go to the bottom, press on buy, and there you go. That is how you guys can buy SoFi Technology call options here in Canada, ticker symbol SOFI here on Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helped.